Hello students, today we will discuss what is the procedure to obtain Principal Disjunctive Normal Form presented by Dr. R. Dinesh Babu. Okay, here there are four steps. Step number one, remove all the symbols. That means conditional, biconditional, and implication by using equivalent law. Once we applied equivalent law, our expression will be normal form. What is meant by normal form? Normal form is nothing but an expression should contains only the following three connectives: and, or, and negation only. So once we get an expression is normal form, then we go for step number two. What is step number two? Apply each term under T. What is the meaning of apply each term under T means? What is the meaning of step number two is if we want to find PDNF, that means if any variables are missing, we have to introduce under T only for PDNF. Then we go for step number three. Number three is incident of this T, incident of this T, apply inverse law. Already we know what is inverse law. Inverse law is nothing but PR negation P. So replace T equal to PR negation P based on the statement. Okay, so sometimes we have to introduce QR negation Q. Sometimes we have to introduce R negation R. So based on the given variable, we have to introduce step number three. So once we completed step number three, then we go for step number four. Step number four is nothing but apply distributive law until we get sum of minterms. So in previous video lecture, we discussed what is minterm. What is minterm? If any variable connected by product operator, then the terms are called minterms. Okay, therefore, once we get sum of minterms, therefore that is called what? Principle of disjunctive normal form. Okay, I hope you are enjoying this session. Thank you.